Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Era 404 Liberty Walk Lamborghini MURCIÉLAGO. If you do like this style of content, make sure to drop a like and also subscribe if you are new, as it greatly does help the channel out. But with that being said, let's jump straight into this epic model. Starting with the packaging, you can see it's got this really nice gold and black design to match the Era 404 logo on each of the sides. You can see it's also got some nice iridescent colours to them, which again I think is really cool and just makes that packaging feel a little bit more premium. It is protecting the acrylic a bit more just from dropping it and scratching it, so that's also quite nice as well. You can see the base has got some nice showroom-esque design on them, which I think is really nice and cool, and it just gives that model a bit of an extra premium look and just a bit more unique as well, alongside obviously the metal base plate with the Liberty Walk MURCIÉLAGO and also the Era 404 logo. But the actual model itself is what we're all here for, and this model definitely blew me away. Obviously Era 404 are resin models, so the wheels don't spin, and I don't even try as I don't want to risk breaking this model. As you can see, I'm very careful with it in hand, as this model is definitely one I've been after for quite a while in my personal collection. You can see the detail on it is absolutely fantastic. The wheels have got a nice brake disc and caliper behind them, and the tyres have also got some nice tyre writing. The wing is also carbon and has got a nice carbon effect on the top. You can also see the Liberty Walk or LB Performance logo on the underside. The decals are really small and they are all readable as well. There are some that are a tiny bit blurred, but you can still read them nonetheless. The model does also come with some extra decals if you did want to put them on, but personally I don't want to risk it, as I know personally I will get them wrong. The body lines on this model are absolutely fantastic, and it's absolutely slammed to the ground, which you will see in the footage at the end. But you can see it's also got some nice detail on the interior. Now you can't really see too much on the dashboard, but you can see that it has got some nice bucket seats with the headrest cut out as well, and some nice designs on the cushions, which again I think is a nice attention to detail. The headlights again nicely proportioned with some great detail, looking very realistic. You can see the whole model looks super realistic in general. Obviously being resin, you can get more of a realistic look alongside the model. Now I know this isn't the actual official Liberty Walk model, as it has got a different wing, and that model will be added to the collection at some point in the future. But you can see hiding in the back of the car there is a nice detailed engine, which you can't really see because of the tinted windows, but nonetheless it does have the Lamborghini writing. Same goes to the rear, there is no plate, but you can see the Lamborghini font nice and clear, with the taillights very nicely proportioned. As you can see, this whole model in general is really nicely proportioned and just looks super realistic in a diorama. The way it sits and the overall stance and just the overall look of it looks absolutely incredible. Let me know what you think down below in the comments.